$1.
Nah, what do you think was gonna happen with $1 car, bro?
Oh, $50. Come on, Transformer.
Does everything gotta be a transformer nowadays? Like, bro.
Go! Fight! Fight! No! $100. Come on, Cybertruck! Fight!
Cybertruck? Did you say Cybertruck?
Fight! No! $500. Go!
Nah, who the heck will pay $500 for an RC car? That's just crazy.
Come on! Fight! No! $750. Go! Come on! Get out! $1,000. Come on! No, Lambo's moving! Fight! Fight! No! Lamborghini versus Lamborghini. Like if you think this one's gonna win, and subscribe if you think that one's gonna win.